Hello, it's Donna, and I was getting ready to clean and oil the bobbin area of my Skyline S7, and I thought that I would take you along and show you what I normally do. I'm taking out this bobbin case, and I'm about ready to get started. I'm looking for a little cleaning brush that I have. So I do the normal kind of cleaning in here. Nothing too much because not really that much gets down in this area. Now, I don't know if you can see down in here, there is, let me pull my thread out here. There is quite a bit of dust. That's the initial. Oops, sorry about that. Trying to get this where I can film it and do everything. So as you can see, mine was actually quite dirty right now. I've been doing a little bit of sewing, and it's definitely dirtier than it normally is. So I'm just doing some light cleaning there. Get my glasses back down. So this area right here is the thread cutter, and I don't typically use my thread cutter that much. One thing I'm going to do is lift my feet and look in my feed dogs, because a lot of times they'll get quite a bit built up in there. So I'm just going to take this and clean this out. Try to get as much of this as I can. I was sewing something glittery, or that had some glitter on there, and it got a little glitter in. So I'm going to pause for just a second. I'm missing a vital ingredient. Okay, I found the one thing that I like to use. Finally, had to search the house for it. It's everybody's favorite cleaning solution, evidently. I've got some isopropyl alcohol here. This is a 70%. And one of the reasons I use this is it dries and does not leave a residue. And I come in and I just clean around underneath the lip here, and you can see, and I'm getting down in here, but you can see how much extra gunk and stuff I'm getting out from here. Okay, and then I'll use it and clean up a few other areas. I don't like go crazy with it, but I do try to pull out as much as I can, because I know, this is what would have been left had I not used the alcohol. Okay, that's looking pretty good right now. So I'll get rid of that. The next thing, I have a little pin oiler that I have for my embroidery machine, but I will just come in here and place a couple of drops down in the wick, and it's already soaked that up, so I'll add a couple of more drops, fill that up, let it work, let it bubble. As it's bubble, it's releasing the air down in that area, and the oil is being soaked up by the wick. if you haven't done this much, you might think that that is a piece of lint or something down in there, and you may want to actually try to pull it out. Do not pull it out. That is the wick where they oil the bobbin area. And sometimes, you know, if you don't clean your machine often and you want to actually give it an oil, when this is in, you should be able to get one of these holes. I mean, it's not going to be lined right up on the wick, but it'll add some oil down in other places. So I just put another drop in there. And that's looking good right now. If you are wanting one of these pin oilers, check with your sewing machine dealer. They may carry them. You might be able to find them on Amazon and stuff. I don't know. I've just had this one for years and I keep filling it up. Anyway, so that is a basic oiling of this area. So with that, I'm going to close out this video. And I just wanted to show you, how I oil my machine and clean the bobbin area. It's something that, a lot of people don't do. It's very easy to do. And keeping that area clean will probably make your machine a lot happier. And you might not necessarily have to take it into a dealer for a cleaning as often. But, I've actually seen some that have come in so packed that you could just pull out chunks, and I do mean like major chunks, not anything small and fluffy like I did. It was almost solid mass all the way down, and as soon as that was out, the machine started stitching perfect. So anyway, that's it for this one. I just wanted to do a quick video on how I clean my bobbin area. So with that, we will talk to you later. Bye.